Okay, good morning, kids. Happy Sabbath. Okay, are you now ready to listen to a story today? Yes. So today, our story is about making place in heaven. Kinsay nakahibalo sa ang langit? Kinsa atong makita dito? Yes, you want to go to heaven? Yes. So before I'll be sharing to you our story, let us have first our memory verse. Ang atong mga mommies, daddies, atong mga kuyas kay Baloani, but we'll see if you know the verse too. It is found in John 14, verses 2 and 3. So you may say it with me if you know the memory verse. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you, I will go and prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there ye may be also. Kinsay nagstoryaan na, kids?
Jesus.
Who knows kinsay nagstoryaan na? It is Jesus. So, unsa day ko know, what does the text say? Ingon siya nga si Jesus, remember the time when Jesus was still here on earth? Ingon siya sa iyahang mga disciples ug sa mga tawo nga ayaw mo og kabalaka, I will go back to heaven. Kay unsa ko no? He will prepare a place for us. And then once ma-prepare na niya dito sa heaven, unsa iyang buhaton? He will come again, mobalik siya, and receive you unto Himself. Kay para kung asa siya na apod, kunota. So what does the text really mean? Nakasabot ra mo sa text mga bata? Wala. Lisod siya sabto, no? Pero for us to understand the text, let me ask, kinsa ninyo nakatry nagdula og trip to Jerusalem? Wa mo kabalo, anak? Musical chair. Sige, atong i-ask silang atis and kuyas kung unsa ang trip to Jerusalem na game. Sige. Oh. Kulangan man mo kusa. Si Ate G. Chris de ay. Okay. So when you are going to play trip to Jerusalem, na ay mga chairs. Pero, ang chairs dapat mas gamay kaysa sa nag-play. Pila sila kabuok? Upat. Pila kabuok chairs? Tulo. So meaning, na ay isa nga pildi. Now once the music is going to madungog na gani ang music, or when the music plays, okay, sige, for example, we are going to sing. What are you going to sing? Let's say, He is able, He is able, I know He is able. Okay, so one is left out. Naadyoy isa ka mapildi. Now, until mahuman ang game, then there will be one chair left. Then, pila na lang katawa ang mahabilin? Duha, kay isa naman lang ka-chair ang nahabilin. Isa na lang ka-chair ang nahabilin. Ay, dili na ta magdula. Illustration na, sir. Okay. So, isa na lang ka-chair ang mahabilin. Then,
Punya na mo hapon, duwa.
duha na lang ka players. And when the song sings again, He is able, He is able, I know He is able. I know my Lord is able to carry me through. And then what will happen to the other one? Naay, unsa man? Naay winner of naapoy? Loser. So meaning when they are going to play, pila ra gyud ka buok ang mawin? Isa. And sometimes kids, when we play at school, na usahay nga dili po taganahan mo play basta loser. But you know what, kids? God is not like that. When He told us that He is going to prepare a place for us in heaven, dili pareha atong game nga trip to Jerusalem nga naadyoy pildi. Pero when God is going to prepare a place for us, all of us will have a chair in heaven. Dili na lang yung chair. Napad yun na yung pangalan ni mo dito. What is your name, Palangga? Ha? Suti mo ni? Nadim. So there will be a name of Nadim, there will be Zion, there will be Nathan. will be Kathy. So na-adjust mga names dito. All of, what is your name, Palangga? Fritz. Oh, there will also be Fritz, and there will also be Aliyah. So naatanan ang inyong mga names dito. There will be no loser, but we are all winners. And when God will come back, when Jesus will come back here on earth, He will take us with us. Pero kinahanglan sa itong buhaton, bad or good deeds? We have to do, kung sa itong buhaton, Zion and Nathan, good deeds or bad deeds? It has to be good deeds. Kay gusto man ta mo adto sa heaven. So remember what God has promised us, or Jesus has promised us, He will come again and take us with Him. So kinahanglan, magunsa ko na ta, magbinuotan. You can go back now to your seats, and thank you for listening.